How to delete Facebook blocked list permanently. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you if we can delete Facebook blocked list permanently or not. So first, simply head over to your Facebook application, and once you're inside here, just tap on your profile section over here and just scroll all the way down until you see this settings option inside the settings and privacy. And once you click on settings, just scroll all the way down once again until you see this blocking option. So simply tap on it, and as you can see, I've added one person to my block list. So you can just unblock the particular person by simply tapping on this unblock button over here, and it will automatically unblock that particular person. But if you have a list of people, then you can't actually delete the Facebook list of the blocking people. So as you can see, I've added another person on my blocking list, but what I'm going to show you is that you can't actually remove this list from this Facebook, but you can actually unblock them just like this and they will be gone. But you can't actually delete the Facebook blocked list permanently without unblocking them. So I hope this video is informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.